हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं डॉक्टर विवेक जैन सेरिबेलम एकेडमी से और मेरे साथ है डॉक्टर आरिफा रोशन कादरी, जिन्होंने मिशन 200 प्लस का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनने का ठान लिया था। तो उन्होंने 200 प्लस 208 स्कोर लिया है एफएमजी के एग्जाम में। तो सबसे पहले हार्टिएस्ट कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन डॉक्टर आरिफा टू यू, पेरेंट्स एंड फैमिली।
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. It wouldn't have
देखो,
been possible without Cerebellum team.
आई अंडरस्टैंड, लेकिन स्टूडेंट की अपनी मेहनत भी होती है। और एक और चीज मैं बोलना चाहूंगा, 208 इज नॉट बाय फ्लूक। तो आई एम श्योर कि एग्जाम के बाद आपको ये तो पता होगा कि हो तो जाएगा। स्कोर
Yes,
कितना
sir.
टारगेट किया था?
I had a vision board and my study table just right across my study table. On the first day, started preparing around like July end, the first batch.
हम्म।
So I had a paper which said I will clear my exam and 200 plus. That was my like goal written there, and
अरे
that
वाह।
is what I scored. And I'm so happy that manifestation works.
अरे वाह। सी 208 also tells me either you were preparing since last 5 years non-stop, which may have been possible, or in last 6 months you attended 100% of all the sessions in cerebellum. So both are correct, or one of them is correct? What
One
did
of
you?
them is correct. Like as you know, like if we go abroad, we are a lot like it's a new place. We'll go roam. We'll see around. So it was
Hmm.
all that. तो हम लोग वहाँ पे as in only for the college exams I used to study. For FMG I did nothing. I came here in July. On
Hmm.
1st August I came back and there was a classes batch one which started around I guess 19 July. So I started that. While I was there, I did my anatomy and physio with cerebellum itself on the
Hmm.
mission team. And then I came back here और फिर इसके बाद I again started doing it again and again. And then after lap one, there was 1 month of a holiday for us, as in the people who joined the first batch.
Hmm. Hmm.
So there were repeated lectures. So उस time में I did my one revision and for the subjects like pharma and PSM which requires a lot of mug up. So I did that like twice in that 1 month. So I guess that
Wow.
was a game changer. That 1 month was really a game changer.
बट लाइव सेशन समटाइम्स दे गो वेरी लेट इन नाइट। यूजली मेरी पीएसएम की क्लास भी 12-15 तक चलती हैं, एंड सम सब्जेक्ट्स गो इवन बियॉन्ड दैट। तो उसको कैसे मैनेज करते थे?
उसके लिए सर I used to like for example your class or Dilip sir class it's usually around like 2 a.m. it ends. So I used
हम्म।
to sleep by 11:30, which is my last like to stay awake and to stay like sane in the class. So I used to watch the remaining part, the remaining 3 hours as a recorded next day, next morning before the next lecture.
Wow. So you were able to attend all 100% sessions.
Yes,
Wow.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Which of these played major role in your preparation when we look at question part? Was it the live examination and discussion, or was it more of GT, mock, late night PYQ?
The most I would say it's the GT because that is like our it builds our confidence. The GT that builds our confidence. In the last GT I remember I scored around 210 and I was
Hmm.
like hopefully if I score the same. So it's like it's the GT, it's the cerebellum, entirely cerebellum. And the
Oh, wow.
questions are, I'll tell you sir, the questions are really at par with the FMG in the cerebellum. The GT we gave everything, like all the questions. I remember the first question in my screen was physiology, the graph, and instantly remembered Dr. Pooja, and I was like, yeah, she told this will come, and this came, and she gave a mnemonic for the correct answer, and I did it correct. And I was so confident. The first question usually builds your confidence that okay, I know this one, so maybe the entire paper is like will go okay.
Wow, that's great. That's great. Uh, Dr. Arifa, if a student, let's say there is a student by the name of Dr. Vivek who is studying in your college in Philippines, what is your advice to him? Should he start preparing from first year, or maybe he can enjoy life for 1 or 2 years in Philippines, then start studying, or maybe he can enjoy throughout and directly land in Delhi or India and then start preparing?
Honestly sir, right now when I gave the paper it was not like a very direct paper. It was very clinical and lengthy, very
Hmm.
lengthy. The part 2
Hmm.
was like not even readable in 1 minute. It was like that. So I
Hmm.
would suggest to my upcoming students or like all the upcoming FMG aspirants like कि तुम लोग ऑलरेडी वहां से पढ़ना शुरू कर दो, लाइक फॉर द सब्जेक्ट्स विच आर रियली लेंदी, लाइक आई से मेडिसिन, ओबीजी, पीएसएम, सर्जरी, तो वो सब एटलीस्ट हैव अ नॉलेज अबाउट इट. इफ नॉट, इफ यू कम हियर, जस्ट जॉइन cerebellum blindly, just join it blindly. All my friends, sir, all of them joined cerebellum and all of them passed, all of them, and I'm so proud of cerebellum.
Wow. So you are currently based in which city of India?
Mumbai, sir.
तो मुंबई से आपको 2 घंटे लगेंगे सेरिबेल हम प्रोग्राम में आने के लिए।
चलेगा सर. I'll
नहीं
be there,
नहीं,
surely I'll be there.
नहीं नहीं, यू हैव टू बी देयर, क्योंकि हम भी आपसे मिलना चाहेंगे। एंड कोई ब्रांच सोचिए आगे फ्यूचर करियर ऑप्शन के तौर पे?
Hopefully, need PG, I'll again join cerebellum only. That's my plan. And then I want to go in OB gynae. So let's hope and pray that I get into it and I'll work for it because I know
वाह,
it works. मेहनत करोगे तो
यस
हो जाएगा.
yes, this is the key sentence. Let us summarize
Yes.
now the interview here, friends. Friends, what Dr. Arifa Roshan Kadri has managed to tell me and all of you is with 100% efforts, it is possible. She had almost, or let's say not almost, 100% attendance throughout the live sessions. Some part she missed, she did recorded. ENDs, GTs, mocks, late night PYQ. And GTs, because she found similar to the actual exam, actually from 210 in GT, she scored 208 in the actual FMG exam. So this tells you her level of dedication, preparation that she was having, that after the exam, she knew she will pass. Maybe score may go up low a bit, but she has managed to do wonderfully well. Wow, Dr. Arifa, मजा आ गया, आपसे बात करके भी बहुत अच्छा लगा।
Thank you so much, sir.
आपको तो बधाई, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस है, लेकिन आपसे ज्यादा आपके पेरेंट्स और फैमिली मेंबर्स को, क्योंकि उनके बिना
Thank
ये
you so
पॉसिबल नहीं
much.
था। उनके
Thank you
बिना
so
पॉसिबल
much,
नहीं था।
sir.
तो मेरी
Thank you
तरफ
so
से,
much.
टीम सेरिबेलम की तरफ से उनको भी आप कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस कहना। और आशा करते हैं कि आगे आपको अपनी ब्रांच ओबीजी मिले आराम से, और आप उसमें
Thank
बहुत
you.
बढ़िया करोगे एंड बिकम अ वेरी सक्सेसफुल ऑब्स्टेट्रिशियन इन द कंट्री।
Thank you so much, sir. Forever grateful to the Cerebellum team. I did not knew it would have been possible, but only Cerebellum. The tagline, get the balance right. I really got the balance right.
चलो ग्रेट। ओके, तो यहाँ पे काफी ठंड है, तो यहाँ से आई विल शिफ्ट ओवर टू मुंबई वेरी सून, जहाँ पे आई थिंक टेम्परेचर लुक्स गुड।
Yes. It's
चलो
okay here.
नेक्स्ट।
Like not cold. It's humid here.
ओके, दैट इज ऑलवेज देयर, दैट इज ऑलवेज
Yeah,
देयर।
yeah, yeah.
तो नेक्स्ट टाइम आई एम इन मुंबई, यू आर टेकिंग मी अराउंड मुंबई टू शो द
Yes,
बेस्ट पार्ट्स ऑफ
surely.
मुंबई।
Surely, surely you should visit and I will be showing you around.
चलो, आई कम वेरी सुन। थैंक यू सो
Yes.
मच एंड ऑल द
Thank you
बेस्ट
so
फॉर
much, sir.
ऑल योर फ्यूचर एंडेवर्स।
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.